acne treatment tips you can use today. I woke up early in the morning, went to the washroom, and there it was. My worst nightmare was right in front of me. Acne on my face. I wanted to shout so loud that the acne would just disappear. Back in my head, I knew it was not going to happen. After initial horror and almost a nervous breakdown, I collected my thoughts and decided to research acne and its treatments. Here is some extremely important information I found about acne. I followed this and I am glad to tell you that I cured my acne. So let us start. What is acne and who gets acne? Acne primarily occurs when the pores of our face get clogged with whiteheads, blackheads, or lumps like cysts or nodules. Acne appears on the face, neck, chest, shoulders, back, and upper arms. It is very common among teenagers, but adults till the age of 40 can be affected by acne. Acne causes scarring, which is often permanent. It is not hazardous to health but surely damaging to confidence. Acne is not dependent upon race, ethnicity, color, or sex. Nearly 100% of people belonging to the age group of 12 to 17 suffer from the occasional blackhead, whitehead, or pimple. For some, the problem is serious and needs professional care. Acne hits between the ages of 10 and 13. The condition persists for the next 5 to 10 years. It normally disappears in the early 20s, though it can stay till one is in their late 20s, 30s, or even later than that. Luckily, there are a few things you can do every day to make sure your skin is less prone to flare-ups. Here are 4 tips for taking control of your acne starting today. 1. Exercise. Keeping in shape can help fight acne by fighting off negative stress levels that can come from negative self-esteem and depression. However, some safeguards need to be in place to ward off acne that can result from your workout routines. Watch what you put on your body concerning clothing, sports gear, and equipment. You do not want to rub the acne-affected area with some dirty and harsh clothing. For example, tight lycra and nylon exercise outfits might look great in the movies and on magazine models, but if you are susceptible to acne problems, avoid these synthetic fabrics. These fabrics tend to trap body moisture and heat, resulting in a bacteria frenzy. Instead, choose loose clothing made of cotton or natural blends to allow more air to get to your skin. And when you are finished with your workout, get out of clothing wet from perspiration or water sports. Shower and change into dry, clean clothing. Keep your sports gear and equipment clean too. Dirty headgear, for instance, can irritate forehead areas prone to acne problems. Toss headbands into the washing machine after workout sessions. 2. Cosmetics. To avoid pore clogging and skin irritations that are like acne and that can contribute to acne, use products labeled non-comedogenic or oil-free. Shimmering facial colors can contain a flaky mineral called mica that can cause skin irritations and clogged pores. Other additives in coloring that can cause similar reactions are coal tar derivatives, carmine, and heavy cream in blushes. More preventative measures include using a lip gloss that promotes a matte finish instead of a high gloss for less pore clogging. Note: the more the shine, the more the comedogenic content and the more the pores can clog. Beware that eye creams can contain heavier concentrations of moisturizers than regular creams and lotions, meaning they have greater potential to clog pores in the surrounding facial areas. 3. Diet. A simple rule to follow in the diet when you are looking to get rid of acne is that what is best for your body is best for your skin. Remember to watch your diet and consume healthy vitamins, minerals, and other supplements. Several recent studies have suggested that following a low glycemic diet, that is, a diet that is low in sugar and carbohydrates, can prevent and improve acne. This will help to prevent and help conquer acne breakouts. 4. Hygiene. A healthy skin regimen should include no harsh scrubbing or overwashing, because this can cause possible skin irritation. Products with gentle exfoliation ingredients are okay to use, that are not scratchy nut or fruit shell pieces that can tear the skin. Skip alcohol products when possible, as these can take off the top layer of your skin, and cause your glands to produce more oil, clogging pores in the process. If you do spot acne-troubled areas, do not mess with them. Remember that these are already weeks in the making, and squeezing or picking blemishes can force the infected area to regress back inside. It will further trouble the region and possibly leave a scar. Additionally, there can be following treatments used to cure acne. Natural extracts from some fruits and vegetables are used as a home remedy for acne. For example, oranges and lemons are squeezed onto cotton balls to be applied to the affected areas. Wash it after 20 minutes. Raw potatoes can also be used as a natural remedy. Peel the potatoes and rub the flat surface on the affected area. If necessary, seek help from a dermatologist for alternative treatments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, and need more information about losing weight, diet, and health from our experts, please subscribe. See you in the next video.